Aluminium phosphide. Aluminium phosphide is an organophosphate insecticide and fumigant. It is used to kill rats and bugs in hotels and homes. Several cases of poisoning and death recorded in India, Thailand, USA, and Europe due to ALP misuse. Number 2. Strychnine. Strychnine is a colorless and highly toxic alkaloid extracted from the seeds of Nux vomica tree. It causes convulsions and asphyxia and death on inhaling or swallowing. Number 3. Eel blade. Eel blade is poisonous to human and other animals. A toxic protein is found in eel blade which causes anaphylaxis, a severe allergic reaction, but this protein is destroyed in the cooking process. Nobel Prize winner Charles Richet used eel blade serum on his famous research. Number 4. Argamon oil. Argamon oil is derived from the seeds of Argamon mexicana plant. It is a poisonous non-edible oil, but sometimes it is mixed with sunflower oil and sesame oil. It causes dropsy, extreme swelling of legs. Argamon oil contains a toxic alkaloid named sanguinarine. Number 5. Khesari dal. Khesari dal is a grain legume. The seeds of Lathyrus sativus contains a neurotoxic amino acid ODAP. It causes letharism or paralysis of lower body. It is consumed in many parts of the world as an alternative source of protein, especially in the drought-affected area of India and Africa. Number 6. Water hemlock. Water hemlock or Cycata maculata is an extremely poisonous plant species of North America. It is also known as cowben. A toxin named cycatoxin is found in all parts of the plant. Consuming any part causes severe convulsion, vomiting, and death. Number 7. VX, the nerve agent. VX or venomous agent X is an extremely toxic synthetic chemical used as a pesticide and chemical weapon. It is a non-volatile liquid discovered in England in 1950s. It is all stockpile has been destroyed because it is a very dangerous threat to humankind. Thanks.